Press and hold the power button to turn on the machine. When the screen shows low, it means the griddle has not reached the target temperature and is still heating. When the screen shows use, it means the griddle has reached the target temperature and is ready for cooking. Use the up arrow to view the current temperature. Press and hold the settings button to enter the settings menu. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the target temperature. Press the settings button briefly to switch between temperature units. The down arrow sets the unit to Fahrenheit. The up arrow sets the unit to Celsius. Press the settings button briefly again to enter temperature calibration mode. Adjust the temperature based on the difference between the temperature measured by a third-party thermometer and the temperature displayed on the griddle screen. Once the settings are complete, press and hold the settings button to save the changes.